In this quick guide, you'll learn how to change themes in Salesforce. Whether you're looking to personalize your Salesforce interface or simply want a fresh look, changing themes can give your dashboard a whole new vibe. Let's dive right in and explore how you can easily switch themes in Salesforce to suit your style or organizational needs. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the top right corner of your Salesforce interface. Here, you will notice the gear icon, which is also known as the setup icon. Go ahead and click on this. Selecting this icon will open up a menu that provides a variety of options for customizing your Salesforce experience. For our purposes, you'll want to choose the setup option from this menu. This will take you into the back-end area where all the customization magic happens. Once you're in the setup area, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll find the Quick Find box. This is a handy search tool that allows you to quickly locate different settings and features within Salesforce without having to navigate through countless menus. In the Quick Find box, type the word Themes. As you type, Salesforce will start to filter results based on your input. When you see themes and branding appear in the list, click on it. This will take you to the Themes and Branding page where you can manage the look and feel of your Salesforce environment. On the Themes and Branding page, you'll see a list of available themes. Salesforce typically comes with a selection of pre-made themes that you can choose from. These themes are designed to give your interface a different look and feel, ranging from subtle changes to more dramatic visual overhauls. For example, you might see themes like Cloudy or Charcoal listed here. Take a moment to browse the options and decide which one you'd like to try out. Once you've found a theme that catches your eye, look towards the far right of its row. You'll notice a drop-down arrow here. Click on this arrow to reveal a small menu. From this menu, select the Activate option. By doing this, you're telling Salesforce to apply this theme to your interface. After a brief moment, your Salesforce dashboard will refresh and display the new theme, giving your workspace a refreshing update. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can quickly change the theme in Salesforce, making your work environment more visually appealing and tailored to your preferences. Remember, you can switch themes as often as you like, so don't hesitate to experiment with different looks until you find the one that best suits your needs. Changing themes is a great way to keep your Salesforce experience fresh and personalized. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you want to explore new themes or make further customizations. Thanks for watching, and happy theming.